Basking in the allure of sun-soaked beaches, lively culture, delectable cuisine, and lavish accommodations, Florida stands as a quintessential destination for travelers seeking an extraordinary vacation. From the tranquility of luxury hotels to the thrill of boat trips and the excitement of local events, the Sunshine State beckons with a diverse range of experiences. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve deeper into the compelling reasons that make Florida a must-visit destination for your next vacation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more travel inspiration. 1. Sun-kissed beaches and outdoor adventures. Florida's coastline stretches over 1,350 miles, boasting an impressive array of beaches that cater to every traveler's preference. The iconic South Beach in Miami offers a lively atmosphere, where beachgoers can see and be seen. For a more serene escape, the white sands of Clearwater Beach provide a picturesque setting for relaxation and rejuvenation. Adventurers can explore the underwater wonders of the Florida Keys by snorkeling or scuba diving, while nature enthusiasts can hike and bike through the scenic trails of Anastasia State Park. 2. Culinary delights. The culinary scene in Florida is as diverse as its population, resulting in a tantalizing fusion of flavors that will delight your taste buds. Start your culinary journey in Miami's Little Havana, where you can savor authentic Cuban dishes and sip on refreshing mojitos. Head to Tampa's Ybor City to indulge in a Cuban sandwich. And don't miss the chance to try fresh seafood along the Gulf Coast. For a gourmet experience, book a table at Orlando's Victoria and Albert's, an award-winning restaurant known for its exquisite tasting menus. 3. Luxurious accommodations. Florida's luxury hotels redefine opulence, providing an exceptional blend of comfort and style. The Breakers in Palm Beach is a timeless icon, offering lavish suites, championship golf courses, and a private beach club. In Naples, the Ritz-Carlton invites you to unwind in elegant rooms with ocean views, while the Faina Hotel in Miami Beach boasts an artistic ambiance and exceptional service. For a unique stay, consider the romantic tranquility of Little Palm Island Resort and Spa in the Florida Keys. 4. Captivating events. Florida's event calendar is brimming with captivating gatherings that showcase the state's rich cultural tapestry. Immerse yourself in the art world at Miami's Art Basel, an international contemporary art fair that draws collectors, artists, and enthusiasts from around the globe. Experience the magic of Mardi Gras at Universal Orlando Resort, where vibrant parades and lively entertainment capture the spirit of New Orleans. Sports enthusiasts can catch Major League Baseball spring training games across the state, fostering an electric atmosphere of competition and camaraderie. 5. Enchanting boat trips. Embarking on a boat trip in Florida opens up a world of breathtaking vistas and exhilarating encounters with nature. Glide through the emerald waters of Biscayne Bay, catching glimpses of celebrity homes on Star Island. Traverse the scenic Intracoastal Waterway, which weaves through Fort Lauderdale's stunning canals and offers a glimpse into the area's luxurious waterfront properties. Venture into the enchanting Everglades National Park for an airboat tour, where you'll witness the incredible biodiversity and distinctive landscape of this unique ecosystem. Conclusion. A journey to Florida promises an immersive experience that combines natural beauty, cultural richness, delectable cuisine, and luxurious living. Whether you're lounging on pristine beaches, indulging in world-class gastronomy, attending vibrant events, or embarking on enchanting boat trips, the Sunshine State offers a tapestry of experiences that cater to every traveler's desires. With a plethora of activities to choose from, Florida invites you to create cherished memories that will last a lifetime. So, pack your bags, embrace the spirit of adventure, and prepare to be captivated by the wonders of Florida's paradise.